In the fast-moving world of financial markets, one thing separates the amateurs from the professionals: knowledge. At Traders MBA, we present the Applied Professional Stock Trading Mini MBA, CPD certified, the ultimate trading education designed for those who want to master the markets, build wealth, and achieve financial freedom. Built by industry experts, this cutting-edge program blends trade idea generation, fundamental and technical analysis, risk management, and trading psychology, giving you the competitive edge to trade like a pro. Whether you're a beginner looking to start strong or an experienced trader ready to refine your edge, this CPD accredited course is your gateway to elite trading success. You'll learn trade idea generation, spot high probability opportunities before others do, stock market mechanics, how the markets move and how to profit, advanced trading strategies from day trading to long-term investing, risk management mastery, protect your capital and maximize returns, trading psychology, conquer fear and trade with confidence. Step into a world of limitless potential where knowledge meets opportunity. This is your blueprint for financial mastery, designed to empower, elevate, and transform your trading journey. Unlock the skills, confidence, and strategies used by top traders and take control of your financial future with precision and expertise. Are you ready to take charge, level up, and become the trader you were meant to be? Join Traders MBA today and start building the future you deserve. Your future as a skilled, confident, and successful trader starts now. Don't wait, secure your spot today.